New intelligence reports reveal a previously unknown secret missile base in North Korea. Located near the city of Sinpung-dong, the underground facility is believed to be a key component of Pyongyang's developing weapons program. The discovery raises international concern and highlights the ongoing challenge of monitoring the reclusive nation's military activities. The U.S. Air Force and Navy are jointly seeking $1 billion in a new defense budget request. The funds are earmarked for the acquisition of a secret, new missile system developed by Lockheed Martin. While details remain classified, the procurement is aimed at significantly enhancing the long-range strike capabilities of both branches in a contested environment. In a direct response to rising regional tensions, Taiwan is dramatically boosting its defense spending. The increased budget is allocated for the purchase of new fighter jets and advanced missile systems, and for expanding its domestic arms production. The move signals Taipei's strong resolve to deter potential aggression and protect its national security.
You're watching Pakistangeo Defense Updates. Get your trusted updates, not hype. Subscribe now.
In a significant military development, Iran is turning to Belarus to rebuild its air defense and electronic warfare systems. According to recent reports, the two nations are collaborating on a comprehensive modernization program. This cooperation aims to upgrade Iran's outdated S-300 missile systems and develop new, advanced jamming technologies to counter sophisticated aerial threats. The move is viewed by defense analysts as a strategic effort to enhance Iran's airspace security and is a clear sign of deepening military ties between Tehran and Minsk. The ceremony, held in a gesture of strengthening bilateral ties, included the transfer of various pieces of equipment, though specific details remain classified. This move is part of an ongoing effort to enhance military-to-military relations and support Nepal's defense capabilities. Analysts note that such exchanges are crucial for building trust and cooperation in the region, contributing to a more stable security environment. A vital road in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has been reopened thanks to the swift action of the Pakistan Army's engineers. The Shangla Road, a key transportation artery, was blocked by a massive landslide following recent heavy rains. Army engineers, utilizing heavy machinery and specialized techniques, worked tirelessly to clear the debris and restore access. Their efforts not only re-established crucial connectivity for local communities, but also facilitated the delivery of humanitarian aid to affected areas. The operation underscores the Pakistan Army's critical role in disaster relief and civil support operations. India's defense capabilities have received a major boost with the successful test firing of the Agni-5 missile. The launch, conducted from a remote island, validated the missile's accuracy, range, and advanced onboard systems. The Agni-5 is a nuclear-capable intercontinental ballistic missile, and this latest test further cements India's position as a formidable nuclear power. The successful trial is seen as a key milestone in the country's strategic defense program, demonstrating its continued commitment to modernizing its missile arsenal for enhanced deterrence. In a significant political development, the IPP, or the Istikame Pakistan Party, is calling for the creation of new provinces within the country. The party argues that establishing more administrative units is essential for improving governance, distributing resources more equitably, and addressing the diverse needs of Pakistan's large population. This proposal has sparked a nationwide debate on provincial autonomy and the administrative challenges of managing such a vast and populous nation. The call for new provinces aims to decentralize power and foster more localized development. In a major push for technological advancement, the government has established the Pakistan Digital Authority. This new entity is tasked with implementing a comprehensive digital master plan to modernize the country's technological infrastructure. The authority will oversee initiatives aimed at expanding internet access, promoting e-governance, and fostering a digital economy. The move is a strategic step towards streamlining public services and positioning Pakistan as a key player in the global digital landscape. The U.S. Navy's ambitious plan to build a massive drone fleet to counter China is reportedly not going well. A new report suggests the project is plagued by technical and bureaucratic challenges. The fleet, which is intended to provide a key strategic advantage in a potential conflict, is facing setbacks due to issues with software integration, sensor capabilities, and a complex command structure. Analysts are questioning whether the program can overcome these obstacles and deliver the tactical advantage the Navy is seeking. That's all for today from Pakistangeo Defense. Hit subscribe and drop